Welcome to a video tour of our Messenger alert system. Our Messenger alert system is designed to be very simple and easy to use. The main goal is to be able to send out messages and alerts to your membership base. Let's log in as the admin first. Here we see a list of existing members, and we see we have very few buttons, very few options, all to make it easy and seamless for you to get your alerts and messages out. Let's go ahead and compose a message. As we can see, a very simple interface. You have a choice on the type of message or the urgency of the message. You can send out a regular message or an emergency alert. With a regular message, the message is sent to the preferred contact method of each member. So each member can choose whether they prefer to receive messages by email or text. And when you send a regular message, the message goes out to their preferred contact method. If you choose emergency alert, the system will send out both texts and emails to the members regardless of their preference. So you want to save emergency alerts for actual emergency alerts because you will be going against the member's preference. And then for just a regular message where you need to make a news or announcement, you can just send a regular message. So let's try a regular message now. I'm going to remind everyone about the big event on Friday. You might want to add in your contact info when you're actually sending it. And then we have a choice. We can save as a draft or we can send right now. We'll go ahead and save as a draft. And then we see in our list of messages, our message has been saved. We can go back to it and edit it. And this time we're going to go ahead and send it. And we see that the message is being sent. And we said it was sent to 3 addresses. And that ding you heard was our test cell phone receiving the text message because one of our members, I'll show you what this looks like, one of our members prefers text messages. Kara Johnson in this example prefers to receive text messages, and so she did receive it as a text. We can look at our other members and see that they have a preference of email. All right, let's go back and send an urgent message. Everything closed for storm. Normally you would type in more for your actual message probably, but we're just going to send this out. Now this is going to send out to email and text. So that person we saw that preferred text, they're actually going to get an email and a text, even though they prefer text messages, because we're going to send this as an emergency alert. We're going to go ahead and send it now. And there we see it was sent to 4 addresses. Now you notice we have 3 members and there's the chime that it came through as the text. These 2 are only preferring email. This one has email and text. So that is why we see 4 addresses, because when we're sending to both text and email, there's going to be more addresses that are sent to. These other members only have email in there, so that's why they didn't get the text. Let's look at messages. This shows us our previous messages and shows us their status. So these have been successfully sent to these addresses. If we click on View Message, a new browser window opens, and this is a public URL. So you could share this on social media or put it on your website. This is the public view of this message. And then you can also click Previous Messages to bring up this list of all messages that have been sent out from your system. So you could take this URL and also put it on your website or social media so that people can always check on recent messages. So maybe they forgot that they received it, or maybe they're not on your list yet. These are alerts, these are important messages that are for all of your members, and so it's okay to make them publicly available. And it's very easy for the user, if they have this link here, to go ahead and look at your previous messages. Again, it's all designed to be very simple and easy. It's about getting important messages out or emergency alerts out. Let's take a look at the admin settings.